Welcome back to the ArcNet Cloud, where you can learn about different ways to connect, create, and collaborate. This screencast will show how to manage permissions, how to create or edit permission groups, and how to share your team site in different ways. Each new team site within ArcNet will be given unique permissions. That means that you get to decide exactly who interacts with your site in what way. To see and manage your site permissions, go to the cog in the upper right-hand corner and then click on Site Settings. From there, click on Site Permissions. Here you'll see a list of groups and individuals that have different level of access to your team site. Every new ArcNet team site has 3 default groups: visitors that can read the site, members that can edit or contribute to the site, and owners that have full control over how the site is managed. You can edit each of these groups. Within each group, you can add a new user by clicking here, entering their name or email address, and you can also include a personal message with the invitation. Also within this page, you can select certain users, email them, remove them, and you can also adjust the settings for the group. This is true for any of the groups that are already set up. You can also create your own groups by clicking on this button, and you'll see that there's different settings that you can set up and a more granular list of different levels of permission that users can have. Also on this page, you can grant permissions to an individual if you'd like an individual to have permissions without a group. You can select a user or group and edit their permissions or remove their permissions. And once you have a nice robust list of users and groups in your permissions page, you might want to use this Check Permissions button, which will allow you to look up a specific user or group and then edit their permissions as necessary. Now that I've shown you how you can manage your permissions from the back end of your site, I'm going to go back home to the front of the team site and show you that there's a really easy way to do this from the front end as well. Just by clicking on the Share icon in the top right, you'll have a very familiar box where you can type in names or email addresses, include a personal message, and then by clicking Show Options, you can choose a permission level by slotting that person or people into a specific group that you have created. Then, just by clicking this little Share button, immediately those people or that person will have the right level of access to your site. Thank you for watching this screencast. As always, if you have any questions, contact me at charity.wright@arconline.org. And good luck as you continue to connect, create, and collaborate on ArcNet.